A federal court is ordering Dauphin County to pay nearly $100,000 after tossing political activists out of a suburban Harrisburg park. Thanks for joining us for Fox 43 News at 10. I'm Amy Lentz.
And I'm Evan Forrester. The issue stems from an incident when two men were campaigning during last year's midterm elections.
Fox 43's Matt Kleinens joins us now with the details of the settlement. Matt.
Well, Amy, Evan, Dauphin County will be paying $91,000 in legal fees and penalties and will reverse its ban of political activity in Fort Hunter Park. That's after a federal judge ruled banning political activity at the park violates the Constitution. The saga kicked off amidst the 2022 midterms as two men were stumping for a new third party. Running a campaign as a third-party candidate is a considerable challenge.
We have to go out and collect signatures from voters in order to get on the ballot.
Kevin Gaughen says the challenge was made more difficult when he says Dauphin County officials blocked political activity in public parks.
You can't do that. You can't use your position as a county official to prevent any sort of political competition.
Gaughen is a former board member of the upstart Keystone Party. Last June, he was in Fort Hunter Park to help get Dave Kocur on the general election ballot for the State House of Representatives. He says they were approached by the director of Parks and Recreation and asked to leave.
At the time, she was flanked by security guards. You know, the implication was clear that if we don't get out, we're going to get arrested. So Dave and I left the park under protest.
We were stunned. The law establishing the right to engage in First Amendment activity in public parks is so well settled, and it's been around for so long.
Conor Fitzpatrick with the Foundation for Individual Rights and Expression took on Dave and Kevin's case and sued Dauphin County. In a statement to Fox 43, Dauphin County says it settled the lawsuit with Dave and Kevin, agreeing to a court order to lift its ban on political expression in public parks and pay $91,000.
This all could have been done for free. Had Dauphin County done the right thing last year when we sent our letter, they wouldn't have had to pay anything.
Gaughen says today's announcement is not only a win for political candidates, but also for Dauphin County.
There could have been a precedent that had developed where local governments could use deed restrictions to circumvent the Constitution. And we felt we had to step in, we had to do something about this before it got out of control.
Now, Gaughen says the Keystone Party hopes to make a bigger splash in Pennsylvania politics in the next few election cycles. Matt Kleinens, Fox 43 News.